Hi, I'm Shannon Pulliam with the University of Illinois Extension, and today I'll be making spicy oatmeal mix.
Ingredients: 3 cups quick cooking oats, 1 cup dried apples, chopped or raisins, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. Mix ingredients together in a large bowl. Store in a tightly closed container at room temperature. Use within 2 months. For variety, try other dried fruit like cranberries or apricots. To cook spicy oatmeal mix, heat 2/3 cup apple juice and 1/3 cup water in saucepan until boiling. Add 2/3 cup spicy oatmeal mix and stir. Reduce heat. Cook 2 minutes and serve.
And here's our spicy oatmeal mix in our airtight container. Or you can cook your spicy oatmeal mix for 2 minutes. You can use other dried fruits like dried cranberries or dried apricots.
Eat, Move, Save.